In today's video, we're taking a look at how to remove a toilet seat easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot. So you woke up today and noticed that your throne is not what it used to be. Don't worry. Here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. The first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna open the tabs on the hinges located in the back of the toilet seat. You can usually open them using your fingers, but you can always use a flathead screwdriver for any help. And what this would do is give us access to the screws, which there are two, one on the left side and one on the right side. And this is what basically holds your seat down to the toilet and avoids your kingdom from slipping from the throne to the floor. Now, if we follow that screw all the way to the dark side of the toilet, we'll notice a nut that holds the screw in place. This is the part of the video where using gloves is optional. Only you know how clean the dark side is. Now that you joined the dark side, what we want to do is hold on to the nut. Meanwhile, we unscrew the screw. And because most of them are made of plastic, you usually can hold them with your hands. If not, you can always use some pliers or a wrench or a socket. And remember the ancient rule of lefty loosey, righty tighty. In this case is a Phillips screw. In your case, it could be a flathead screw. No matter which one, the technique is the same. In some cases, you might have metal screws and nut. And because of the liquids and humidity of the dark side, it might be stuck on there. So using a flat style handsaw and gently cutting the screw might get you a long way. And then after cut, you can use the new screws provided with the new toilet seat. Once we remove both screws, the seat should come off easily. If you want to check out our video on how to replace the toilet seat, we'll leave a link on the description. And now you've done it. You can pat yourself on the back for a job well done. You become a throne master. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone on the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.